Welcome to the testing world. So now we are going to implement BDD framework with Selenium, Java, and Cucumber. Previously, we have already covered what do you mean by the BDD, what is Cucumber, and how we are going to write test cases in the BDD. So now we are going to implement everything from the scratch till the end. In this framework, we are going to create few versions. First, we are going to design a simple architecture, and later on we are going to improve that architecture as per the requirement. So first step is to create a Maven project with following dependencies. So to start working on BDD, we need at least 4 dependencies. JUnit 4.1, it is required. Selenium with Java, you can use any jar file. Then we are going to use Cucumber with Java and Cucumber with JUnit. And I'm going to use these versions as I have already tested. These are the compatible version with each other. So step 1 is to create a Maven project and add Maven dependencies. These are the 4 dependencies. Moving to Eclipse, and here I'm going to create a Java project, BDD automation project. And this time we are not creating a Java project, we need to create a Maven project. So I'm not creating a Java project, I'm just going to the Maven project directly. So going to the others, and here we are going to get option of Maven project. Again, just click on a next, and we know that what all the details we need to fill over here. I just reiterate, group ID means what is the domain. So I'm just giving automation, you can give any domain name. Artifact ID means what is the project name that you want to give. So I want to give project name is BDD automation project, and click on finish. So now a project will be created. It's a Maven with Java project, and if you see, that's the architecture. Here we are going to have a pom.xml file where we can set our dependencies. So I just open this pom.xml, and here we have a dependencies section. So I'm coming to the dependency, and now as we have seen, we need 4 dependencies. By default, we are getting JUnit 3.8.1. I'm just removing it. I'm going to add all the 4 dependencies by myself. Moving to MVN repository. And first we need JUnit 4.1. I'm just searching it, and here we are getting the option of JUnit. I just click on this JUnit option, and which version you want to use. So I'm using 4.1 as I have tested this version previously. Even if you want to go for, you can go for the latest version as well. So okay, I am going for the latest version. And here if you notice, we are getting 3 data: group ID, artifact ID, and version. So group ID is JUnit, artifact ID is also JUnit, and the version is 4.10. So going to the project and click on add. Group ID is JUnit, artifact ID is also JUnit, and the version is 4.10. Click on OK. The first dependency is added. Now moving to my Maven repository again, and this time I want to search Selenium. We are getting Selenium server. You can go to the Selenium Java or Selenium server. I'm going to the Selenium Java because I'm working with the Java. What is the latest version? Is 3.4. I'm using the latest version, which is 3.4.0. And here we are getting group ID. We already know that we need to enter these details in pom.xml, which will manage our dependencies, means which will download our jar files and attach to the project. So we can directly use these jar files in our project. That's a group ID, and I'm moving to browser, Selenium Java is the artifact ID and the version is 3.4.0. So copy it, paste it over here, 3.4.0. Click on OK. So now the second dependency we have added. And the third dependency is Cucumber JUnit. And that's the third dependency. We are using 1.0.14. I have used the 1.0.14, so I'm just using this one. You can use any latest one because I have tested these and we are not getting any compatibility issue. That's why I'm using it. So I just copied it, and info.cukes is the group ID. Artifact ID is Cucumber JUnit and 1.0.14. And the last one is Cucumber Java. As of now, I'm just keeping these 4 jar files. Later on, we required for few more dependencies, like if we want to read the data from the Excel sheet, so we need Apache POI. If we want to generate report ng reports, we need a report ng jars. But as of now, I'm using what is the basic jar files. So Cucumber and Java. As I go to the Cucumber Java, so that's the option, and I'm going to use the same version, that is 1.0.14, which I have taken for Cucumber JUnit. I just copied this, pasted over here, and it's a Cucumber Java and 1.0.14. As we have added all the dependencies, just Control S to save it. Here you will notice it will start building our workspace, means it will start downloading all the jar files which are required. Once it is done, you can check all the jar files which are downloaded over here. So you can check JUnit 4.10, and if you notice, so you will get the Cucumber jar files as well. I'm just searching for that. These are the Cucumber jar files. One thing that comes in mind, like why we are going for the JUnit, why we are not going for the testng. So here we are not going to use JUnit for the annotations. We are going to use JUnit for assertions, and Cucumber is directly supporting the JUnit. Can we use testng? Answer is yes, we can use. But as of now, I'm showing you how we can integrate, how we can create complete project with the JUnit. So first step is done, where we have created a project and added all the Maven dependencies in that. One more step that we need to perform here. If you notice, in this BDD project, we are getting src main Java. This is the source folder where my developer is going to write the code, because it's not a development project, it's an automation project. But if the developer is using Maven, so he is going to write his code in this src main Java source folder. In the same way, we have src test Java. So whatever the test case we want to create, we need to create these test cases in this source folder. In the same way, I need to create one more source folder, which is src.test.resources. Click on finish. You will notice one more source folder is created. Why we have created the source folder? As we have seen in BDD, we are going to write BDD test case in Gherkin language, and that need to be write in a feature file with the extension feature. So all the BDD test case will be written in this resources folder. All the Selenium code will be placed in this src test Java. So that is segregated. Development code here, testing code here, and all the BDD test cases in Gherkin language are here. So that's a basic architecture we need to create. So step 1 is done, in which we have added all the dependencies, and a basic architecture is ready for the next step. In this session here, we have seen how to start on the Maven project. On the next session, we will move forward to the next step. That's all we have. Thanks for watching this video. Hello all. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have Any questions regarding this video, please ask in the comment section. And also, please like and subscribe for more software testing courses. Also, we are offering a wonderful package of software testing online video courses in $200. Find us on Facebook for more offers and updates. Here is the URL: facebook.com testing world India.